Let's talk about user input now. To enter text, we use the function input. It stops the execution of the program until you enter an input from the keyboard and press enter. User input is returned as a string. So we can assign the input to a variable. For example, name equals input. And now when I press enter, the program has stopped execution and is waiting for my input. For example, Sarah. I want this value to be assigned to this variable. Enter. And now Sarah is assigned to name. We can check it out like so. Print name Sarah, or in interactive mode we can also echo the string name Sarah. We have the same result, and we can say it's a string because we have the quotes over here. Now this works, but here we didn't exactly know what to do because there was no prompt for us. We can pass a prompt as an argument to the input function, so we can use it like so. Name, input, and here is our prompt. Enter your name. And now we want exactly what to do. And we can enter our name again. For example, John. Enter. So now the value of name is John. Let's check it out. Yeah. Well, in these two examples, here and here, we were entering a name, which is a string. How about entering a number? For example, age equals input, and here we can use a prompt, and in the prompt we can make use of this variable because it's set to John, so it has a value, and we can use concatenation, which means joining strings. For example, how old are you? Plus, here comes the name, plus question mark. Enter. How old are you, John? Now, if we had used a different name here, it would be also inserted here. And now the program is waiting for our input, which should be our age. Let's type 20. Now, this number is treated as a string, not a number, which means it can't be used in calculations, but it can be used in concatenation because it's a string. So let's use it now. Print O, I'm, plus age, plus 2. Now these three strings should be concatenated, and here the value of age, which we entered as user input, will be used. So the result is, oh, I'm 22. So this is how the input function works.